Are you looking for the best makeup brush sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best makeup brush sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Lamora Makeup Eye Brush Set. If you're looking for a unique makeup brush set that will bring you the real beauty without having to rob any bank, then this is it. These 7 high-quality synthetic brushes have been handmade and tested severally to ensure that you get a smooth, supple, and flawless facial outlook. The blending brushes are fluffy to give you the best blend for any skin tone. Like other users, you'll like the lightweight handles of these brushes which make them so comfortable to use. At number 4, BESTOPE TM Makeup Brush Set. Inquire about the trending makeup brush set this year and professional makeup artists will recommend this brand. Firstly, the brushes are uniquely shaped to give you an easy time when applying all sorts of makeup and to reach all parts of your face. Secondly, BESTOPE Makeup Brush Set features high-quality synthetic fiber bristles that are super soft on your face and don't shed. At number 3, BESTOPE Makeup Brush Set. This updated version of BESTOPE makeup brushes comes with a 12-month warranty. What do you expect of their quality? No other brand would give you such an assurance. The brushes are made of high-quality, lightweight wood and alloy. These bring the superiority and uniqueness in them. The 4 brushes have dense, silky soft, non-shedding bristles ideal for the best makeup application. At number 2, EmaxDesign Makeup Brush Set. When elegance meets quality, this is what you get. And most amazingly, you don't have to rob your wallet for this. These EmaxDesign brushes are made from luxurious bamboo wood. They are lightweight and with superior synthetic fiber bristles that pick the makeup with ease and apply smoothly and flawlessly without wasting. The bristles are easy to wash and they dry fast. Most importantly, they don't shed with washing. At number 1, Generic Black Rod Makeup Brush. What makes this set one of the most ideal? First, its unbeatable price. Secondly, it has a brush for every need ranging from concealer application, foundation, powder, lip liner, brow liner, etc. Additionally, the brushes have a synthetic wood that's so comfortable to hold and silk like natural hairs that don't pull out easily. What will baffle you is the elegant leather pouch that they come in. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.